Volvo introduced the XC60 in 2008 as a member of its 60 series of vehicle, and it also quickly became a runaway success. Since its introduction, the small, luxurious SUV has been incredibly safe while maintaining its practicality. The inline-4 motor was the only one used in the SUV starting with the second-generation model, and it was tuned differently depending on the trim levels. The 2023 BMW X3, on the other hand, stands out thanks to its responsive handling, quick acceleration, usability, and a wealth of high-end amenities. This SUV is a great option for the compact luxury SUV market as well. Let's assume that you like both these SUVs, the 2023 Volvo XC60 and the 2023 BMW X3. You want to buy one of these, and after 5 years of use, you want to sell this vehicle for the maximum benefit. Which model has a better resale value? Let's find out. It's the Lazy Rusher YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. To find out which luxury SUV among these two has a better resale value, we need to do some research. For this job, we use the Car Edge website. Go to Tools, Depreciation Calculator. Fill in the form. Car make, Volvo. Model, XC60. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the base Volvo XC60 is $43,450. Own it for 5 years, annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. A Volvo XC60 will depreciate 43% after 5 years and have a 5-year resale value of $24,945. If you plan to keep this vehicle for 5 years, then your total cost of depreciation would be $18,505. Like most of pricey luxury vehicles, despite its reliability, the 2023 Volvo XC60 depreciates quickly. Let's compare these results with the BMW X3. Car make, BMW. Model, X3. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the base Volvo XC60 is $45,400. Own it for 5 years, annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. A BMW X3 will depreciate 37% after 5 years and have a 5-year resale value of $28,552. If you plan to keep this vehicle for 5 years, then your total cost of depreciation would be $16,848. Like all BMWs, the X3 depreciates a lot, and the depreciation doesn't slow down either. So, look at these two tables. Volvo's resale value after 5 years will depreciate by 43%, and its resale value will be $24,945. BMW X3 will lose less. It will depreciate by 37% and will keep its resale value at the $28,552 mark. If you want to make a wise purchase and like both of these car models, you should go with BMW.